Did you know that in Cuphead, during the Root Pack boss battle, Ollie Bulb only attacks the players in self-defense? If the player leaves him alone, he'll smile and quickly leave. Instead, a radish pops out and fights the player in his place.